everyone, welcome to our Soul Tarot prediction. I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers. This reading is for the zodiac sign of, I think, Geminis. Okay, so let's check it out. Avoid the background sound, guys. Okay, so yeah, this time, if you wish to book one-on-one personal reading with me related to career, relationship, situationship, the details are given in the description box below. If you wish to donate, the details are given in the description box below. If you wish to enroll for 10 days tarot learning workshop and 15 days numerology workshop, the details are given in the description box below. Okay, so let's check it out. Messages for the month of January for Geminis. Messages. Control. You think that someone is trying to control you, or you trying to control someone. Okay, or something is not into your hands right now. Something is not into your control. You're just being silent and patient enough. You're just going with the flow in the month of January. You compare a lot. You compare yourself with someone else and you really feel disappointed about comparing. Okay, so yeah, there's a new beginning waiting for you. New beginning. You are going to take a risk, and you are going to take a risk to start something new in your life. Okay, you think that everything is very isolated, and you just feel that nothing is working out into your own favor. That's the thing. And I would suggest you, if you want to explore your inner creativity, your inner passion, you should go for that, because you have a lot of creativity. It's just that you're not going towards it. Okay, so yeah, let's check it out. What's the theme for the month of January? Gaining a lot of clarity. A lot of daydreaming is going on, and gaining a lot and lots of clarity. Okay, you're gaining a lot of clarity. Okay, you're dreaming about something to achieve something which you are just dreaming. You are not taking action, and that's why you feel disappointed. So that's the theme for the month of January, that you are gaining a lot of clarity, and a lot of daydreaming is there. Okay, you want to achieve something desperately, passionately. Okay, so yeah, so what comes under actions and options, Geminis? You're waiting for something. You're waiting something to happen, or you're waiting for someone to reach out to you. You're waiting for something passionately. In your action is just that you just are waiting. You're doing nothing. You're just waiting. Okay, yeah. Kindly, avoid the background sound, guys. Okay, because since I have to record it early and I don't have much time left, since I'll be traveling, so that's why I'm recording it pretty soon this time. Okay, so you have to bear with me with the background sound. Okay, so yeah, okay, so what comes under conversations and communication for Geminis? Conversations and communications. Okay, you are trying to balance something. You are thinking and trying to balance your money, your finances. I think it's not moving anywhere, and that's why there are a lot of issues going on into your financial life, and a lot of balance is required when it comes to money related thing. Okay, so the third one is conversation and communication. The third one is relationship and romance, love and relationship. Okay, relationship and romance. Okay, so I think a lot of healing is going on. Okay, with your broken heart or something like that. I think love and relationship, you are manifesting love. It might be new love, it might be past love, I don't know what it is, but there is something, a manifestation related to love is happening into your life. You're manifesting something. You're manifesting your wish when it comes to your love or romantic life or your love story. Okay, so yeah, I don't know whether it's past person is entering or a new person. I haven't elaborated it, but I'm just telling that someone is coming towards you. A manifestation of love is about to come true into your life in the month of January. Okay, or you might meet someone new. You never know. Okay, what comes under money and finance? Money and finance. Okay, so you are waiting for some sort of an ending. Might be you are going through some major financial situations, and you want that this issues or problems related to money and finances should come to an end. Okay, and something is ending and something new will be starting in the month of February or March. Okay, but ending will take place in the month of January only. Endings and new beginnings are on the horizon for you. Okay, something new is starting, something same patterns, same situation of earning, same patterns of ending, or maybe lack of finances and lack of money, whatever you were going through from last so many months must be ending, and new beginning is on the horizon for you. New life, new abundant life, new money is coming into your life in the upcoming months, which is very good. New opportunities will be on the horizon. New job, new business, whatever you are thinking to end something, ending a job, ending a business, starting a new job, starting a new business, and ending a same pattern thing and starting something new, that's really coming. You are going to end something in January, and I think in next few months something new you'll be starting for sure. New beginning, you'll be taking a risk towards something. Okay, for sure. I'm very sure about it. Let's check. Yes, you'll be taking a risk very soon. Not in the month of January, but very soon, for sure. Okay, yeah. There will be hidden truths, hidden secrets revealed to you, and you will be working towards stability. Okay, your financial stability. Okay, that's what I think, and that's very true. Okay, cool. So Geminians, kindly like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and kindly comment down below how is the reading. Bye bye guys, take care.